Welcome back to the Nomad Explorer. We're continuing our series on the 7 wonders of the world. Today, we journey to one of the most iconic landmarks on Earth, Christ the Redeemer. Towering over the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Standing 98 feet tall atop Corcovado Mountain, this massive statue of Jesus Christ has become a symbol of peace, hope, and faith for people all around the globe. Built in the 1930s, Christ the Redeemer is not only an engineering marvel but also a spiritual beacon that attracts millions of visitors each year. Join me as we explore the history, significance, and breathtaking beauty of this world wonder. The idea for Christ the Redeemer dates back to the 1850s, but it wasn't until the 1920s that the project gained serious traction. Designed by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa and sculpted by French artist Paul Landowski, the statue was completed in 1931. Built as a symbol of peace and Christianity, it was meant to inspire faith in a rapidly modernizing world. The construction of the statue was an ambitious project that required the cooperation of both Brazilian and French engineers and artists. Christ the Redeemer is made of reinforced concrete and covered with thousands of triangular soapstone tiles, which give it its smooth, iconic appearance. Christ the Redeemer is more than just a statue. It is a symbol of Brazil's cultural and religious identity. With its arms outstretched, the statue represents the universal embrace of Jesus, welcoming all people regardless of their background or faith. For many, it serves as a reminder of the power of forgiveness and love. The statue stands on Mount Corcovado, overlooking the city of Rio de Janeiro, a position that highlights its spiritual significance. From its height, it seems to protect the city, a guardian watching over its people. Christ the Redeemer has become a global symbol of peace and hope. One of the best ways to experience Christ the Redeemer is by visiting Tijuca National Park, the lush rainforest that surrounds the statue. There are several ways to reach the top of Corcovado Mountain. You can take a scenic train ride, which offers incredible views of Rio's beaches and forests, or for the adventurous, you can hike to the summit. The journey itself is an unforgettable experience, and once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of Sugarloaf Mountain, Copacabana Beach, and the city's sprawling urban landscape. When Christ the Redeemer was unveiled in 1931, it quickly became a symbol of Brazil's rich culture and national pride. The statue was blessed by Pope Pius XI, further cementing its religious significance. Over the decades, it has appeared in countless films, photographs, and postcards, becoming a global icon. During the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio, Christ the Redeemer was prominently featured in the opening ceremony, reminding the world of Brazil's unique blend of faith and celebration. Today, it remains one of the most visited sites in South America, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike. Did you know that Christ the Redeemer weighs an astonishing 635 metric tons? Or that its right arm is slightly longer than the left, to accommodate the contours of the mountain? It's also been struck by lightning several times. In fact, in 2014, the tip of the right thumb was damaged during a lightning storm, but it has since been repaired. The statue's unique design and location make it especially vulnerable to weather conditions, but regular maintenance ensures it continues to shine bright over Rio. Christ the Redeemer is not just a statue, it's a symbol of unity, peace, and faith that stands tall in the hearts of millions. Whether you visit for spiritual reasons or simply to witness its grandeur, it's an experience that will leave you in awe. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey to Rio de Janeiro, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing adventures around the world. See you in the next video.